So we are about to play a game of what's inside. We're trying to figure out how bad this motor is. This is the rest of Project Ram. It burned to the ground. We all know it. You can check out that video down here if you want to see it. You can check out us also unloading the rest of the cab and things like that at the scrapyard earlier. That was pretty entertaining. Anyways, we're going to tear this thing apart and see how bad the internals are, see if anything got messed up in the fire, see what was bad in the motor. So let's get started. So what we have left is what's left of Project Ram. We've scrapped just about everything else, but we want to see what's inside this motor. So first things first, we're going to try and get this intake off, then get the front cover off, pop both of these heads off, and then we'll move right back over here to the transmission. We're going to try and get the transmission off and the transmission mount as best we can. It's pretty well melted. The aluminum is paper thin. It's gone. You can see the bands and the internals of the transmission right there, but we're gonna get started, get this off. We got the tools out here ready to go. Let's get into it. Then we need a fresh 5.7 intake manifold, stock truck. It's good to go. No air leaks, no issues at all. Couple of heat-treated head bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the front accessory drive, the front accessory cover, the front cover off the front of this motor. Odin's going to go ahead and try and get the transmission bolts out of the transmission. We're gonna keep on keeping on. Top end of the motor torn apart and transmission bell housing bolts out. We're going to go ahead and try to separate the engine and transmission. From there, we're going to pull the timing gear and things like that, get the cam out of it, check the lifters out, keep on keeping on. Let's get it going.
Made a mess.
Now that we got that settled, we can get this transmission off of here. about the only thing salvageable on Project Ram is this special stick right here. And we're going to save this for a buddy of ours. So for the time being, we're going to put it on the shelf. So we've got the rest of the engine and stuff torn apart, got it out here on the scrap trailer, and we did a little bit further inspection once we got it pulled over here. And the block, well, it's trash, and the heads, well, they're trash. I don't know if the guides melted or the aluminum started melting, but they're pretty bad. They're no way. We were going to give them away with a bunch of the other stuff we gave away, but after further inspection, they're just not worth it. There's nothing good left. Block is completely tore up. Stuff's melted in the front. Stuff's melted in the holes. It's just all gone. But there it is. There you have it. Project Ram. What's inside? Just a cam. So now you know what's inside a burnt up motor.